Starter calls the Trotters. Race 7 Trotters are on gate. They're off. Fan trotting. Commissioner Daly has that early lead. Rushing up on the outside is Mr. Anson. Also out there is the Lindy Treaty. Cause for applause will also try his luck. Off stride went Royal Max. As they straighten up and head to the opening quarter, your leader is Commissioner Daly. Dropping in from second was Mr. Anson. On the outside coming is the Lindy Treaty. Racing fourth is General Bill Brown. Out of fifth, Cabo San Lucas. Cause for applause dropped in sixth. They reach the opening quarter in 30 and 4. Royalist is racing from seventh, and your trailer after the break is Stark and Royal Max. As they race to the half-mile marker, your leader is Schnicker, looking for a triple with the Lindy Treaty. Out of second, at the rail is Commissioner Daly. Underway now comes General Bill Brown. Out of fourth on the inside, Mr. Anson. Cabo San Lucas will stick to the inside. The Catman is underway with cause for applause. Following that move is Royalist. Royal Max the trailer. They hit the half in 1, 1, and 2. As they straighten up and head to the three-quarter pole, your leader is still the Lindy Treaty. Out of second, Commissioner Daly. General Bill Brown is first over now on the outside. Cause for applause has moved up to fourth. Out of fifth is Mr. Anson. Royalist is 3 wide. Cabo San Lucas and Royal Max is once again on a break. They reach the three-quarter pole in 1, 32 and 1, and your leader is still the Lindy Treaty. On the outside, General Bill Brown will see what Commissioner Daly has to offer through the stretch. The Lindy Treaty, General Bill Brown, and Mr. Anson. But the Lindy Treaty will give Mr. Schnicker a driving triple in 2, 1, and 2.